All right, here we are, Sunday, February 28th. Wow, we're going to be into March already, but we got pummeled with rain last night. I mean, pummeled. I'll show you a few clips of all the ditches and a riprap area that I fixed. However, Sharon said it looks like the pond dam's running over, like it breached. Wow, I've never seen this spot, this full of water. Holy schmackerels. This is all field right here. Wow. Look at that water running right there. One of the reasons we enjoy living out here. Very seldom do you get a lot of traffic. It's awesome. Oh, look at that. White water on there. Here's a flooded field. Someday I want my duck pond to look like this. They plant corn and beans and other stuff in here for the waterfowl. Sharon said it looks like the pond dam's running over, like it breached. So I'm going to take a walk and go see. It's been a problem spot for years here. Hoping that when I get the SR3 it should be a pretty easy fix. This earlier was gushing white water here. I finally told her I'm going to cave in and I'm going to put a culvert in up there, a culvert or two. Even though I didn't want to do that, I'm going to probably do that here. Be a good first project for the new E42 if I can make that work. Yeah, everything's substantially slowed down since this morning because it's only been drizzling now for a few hours, but I saw the spot where she's talking about, and honestly I'm not looking forward to it because it does look like we might have breached the old pond dam, which it's going to be trouble for sure. There's a straight on shot. That's what 6 inches of rain looks like on the Kapper farm. Wow. There we go. There's another look from a little bit higher up. Right, you get to see it with me. I could hear it. I could hear the Whitewater Rapids. There's only supposed to be one spillway here, which has been on my list to fix anyways, but I've just kind of been putting it off and never made the time. Wow, look at this baby. No, we didn't. Does not look like we breached the dam. It's close, right up here, but look at this thing. Wow. Let's see if we could go take a look at up here. See here how close it is right here? That's just a matter of inches from busting over there. But oh, she was right. Look at this. It is coming over. Golly, that's coming right over the pond dam. Holy schmackerels. I need to get in and do some dirt work. The good news is it's just barely trickling. You could barely see the trickle. See it coming out back here. But you see all that bare dirt? It was coming over stronger. So I need a couple feet of fill here, like ASAP. Boy, it'd be nice to get that new E42, but now it sounds like we finally might have a deal. They don't have one in stock, so we might have to order it. Got our own little river. Well, stay tuned. Eventually I'm going to get at this one sooner rather than later now, at least to build up this pond dam over here from basically from me to the leak. This whole stretch needs 2 feet of fill. It's kind of pretty, I guess. Wow, look at this. It's almost running over here, you know, on this virgin side here. I mean, it'd have to get a little bit higher yet, but it's close. You can hear the frogs are starting. That's kind of cool.